Welcome to JH. Today, I will demonstrate how to integrate Instagram into your Weebly site in under 5 minutes, helping you display your feed and engage with your audience. To begin, visit the Weebly homepage using any web browser. Once there, select the login option and provide your registered email and password. You might encounter a few security prompts if you haven't accessed your account recently, but the sign-in process is generally very quick. After entering your credentials, hit the login button to proceed to your account. Now that you are on the Weebly dashboard, navigate to the Overview area, which serves as your primary management center. Select the Edit Site button to launch the website builder and access your layout. Look through your site's design for the social media icons, which are typically positioned in the header or footer sections. Click directly on these icons to reveal the settings menu. Then choose the Manage Icons option. This tool allows you to customize your social links and add new platforms as needed. Locate the Instagram icon within the list. If it isn't there, simply click to add it manually. You must then input your full Instagram profile URL. Ensure the link is accurate so your visitors can find your page without trouble. Next, toggle the Show setting to ensure the icon appears on your live site. Once finished, you can close the icon management window. If you want more features, you can also use the Weebly App Center. From the editor, click on Apps and search for Instagram. Pick a suitable application and follow the installation instructions to add it to your page. This method often provides extra styling options to better match your site's look. That covers everything. Adding Instagram to Weebly is a great way to boost your social presence. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more helpful guides.